This ain't my usual motive.
Come on, fat boy.
Yeah. Watch out, fool.
Come on, fat boy.
Watch this,
fat
watch
boy,
this.
look at. Look who's here. It's Running Man. What, you think you back on the set?
I told you that, bruh.
Your word don't mean shit around here.
Come on, man. Give me a break.
We gotta go hit up the hood.
Hey, CJ.
Let them know you back on the set. The Johnson brothers is rolling again. Take this paint and go hit shit up. Start with our own set first.
Later on, we spread out, take the whole hood back.
You already spreading out, fat man. Let's play. Let's see what you got, Pork Chop. Hey, wait up.
Ah, thought you hang with your brother, huh?
Oh, ease up, little man. Come on, it's been difficult. You want to drive?
Yeah, for sure.
Hey, this that fight.
Watch for those rollers as I tag this up. There's another 2 baller tags in the hood. You go get them, and I'll keep the engine running. Come on, let's cruise into ballers territory.
You psychotic dick!
You hit this up here, and I'll go up and do another hood.
Welcome to San Andreas, fool. Move that piece of shit!
What the fuck?
Do be careful.
Diablos!
Watch that shit now.
Get us back to the hood, CJ.
Thanks,
CJ,
man.
I warned your
Appreciate
ass.
that.
Like riding bike, ain't it, boy?
Yeah, it all comes back.
How you doing on the Fetty?
I'm kinda short, you know. Crash took all my paper, man. Left me with nothing but small change.
Here, get yourself a beer or something. I'll catch up with you.
I gotta call my pimp. I bet he can throw my ass away.
You boring me to tears. Go away.
Don't forget, this is my hood.
Hello?
Hey, thought I'd explain some shit.
Sweet. Hey, what's up?
Since you've been away, shit has changed around here. Grove Street families ain't big no more. Seville Boulevard families and Temple Drive families are beefing and split with the Grove. Now we so busy, Settrip and Ballers and Vargo have taken over. So watch yourself out there.
Yeah, I hear you. Thanks for the heads up.
Don't mention it.
This is soggy endo.
Poppin', homie.
What's
Who rolled
poppin'?
this piece
Have
of
you
shit?
put in work for your hood lately?
Oh, that's right.
Aye, homie, in a minute.
Later. It's burnt all down one side.
Carl, it's Officer Hernandez.
Who?
Officer Hernandez. I work with Tenpenny and Pulaski.
Oh, the bitch. What the hell you want?
Hey, show me some respect, boy.
Go fuck yourself. You just a bitch.
You watch your tone, boy. Now listen, I've got a message from Officer Tenpenny. Don't try and leave town. That would be a big mistake. You hear me? We're watching you.
Whatever you say, bitch.
Shit, I'm sucking a roach. I had a dream. It died in San Andreas. Look at her. She's my kind of thing. How you spit on it?
Hey, man.
Hey, man, where the weed at?
Boom by itself.
Check the
Well
booty
done.
on that. Get out my face, Trick. Hey, this is soggy endo.
He's so down for the hood, he ignore